Former US President Donald Trump, during an event on December 5, predicted he would receive 150 million votes from the public in the 2024 US presidential election. He has been impeached twice, tried to thwart the peaceful transfer of power after losing the 2020 presidential election, faces scores of charges in multiple criminal cases, and his critics warn he is plotting to rule as an autocrat. Yet, Donald Trump could still return to the White House. More than half of the party's voters have backed Trump's presidential nomination from the Republican Party. An opinion poll found that 61% of self-identified Republicans said they would vote for Donald Trump in the state-by-state nominating contest to pick a challenger to incumbent US President Joe Biden. Trump is looking at a remarkable comeback for a one-term president who 3 years ago appeared vanquished and humiliated. Here are the reasons why Trump could win the November 2024 election against Democratic incumbent Joe Biden. Unhappy voters. The Biden administration asserts that the economy is performing well, citing a significant drop in unemployment to 3.9% from the 6.3% rate when Trump departed office. Additionally, they highlight a decline in inflation from its peak of over 9% in June 2022 to 3.2% as of October. However, a considerable segment of the population, including many voters of color and young individuals, hold a contrasting viewpoint. They emphasize that wages are not aligning with the rising costs of essential commodities like groceries, cars, houses, as well as child and elder care. Speaking to fear. Addressing concerns that reach beyond economic factors, voters are experiencing unease that goes deeper. Trump addresses the genuine or perceived anxieties of many white Americans in a nation undergoing increased diversity and cultural progressiveness. Moreover, there's a prevailing feeling of regression, a sense that fundamental aspects of American life, such as owning a home, securing a wage that matches inflation, and accessing a college education, are slipping away for many. Surveys indicate that voters are troubled by issues related to crime and are apprehensive about the unauthorized flow of migrants crossing the US-Mexico border. Trump's actions not disqualifying for many voters. Despite criticism from within his own party, the Democratic Party, and the media, a substantial number of voters do not consider Trump's actions as disqualifying for holding office. Rather than viewing him as unfit, many of his supporters firmly believe that Trump is a target of a political witch hunt. A survey conducted earlier this year revealed that at least half of Republicans expressed a willingness to vote for Trump, even if he were convicted of a crime. Biden gets all the blame, no credit. Trump could leverage the current White House narrative, which has struggled to convince a significant portion of the public that Biden's job creation initiatives involving substantial government investments in infrastructure, clean energy, and chip manufacturing have positively impacted their lives. Additionally, Biden faces challenges related to two ongoing foreign conflicts that have caused divisions among Americans. Trump's non-interventionist, America First stance may find resonance among voters concerned about potential increased US involvement in regions like Ukraine or Israel, particularly as Biden adheres to a more conventional and interventionist approach to American foreign policy.